Here is a simple and yet effective manual on how to approach meme coins. First, remember, the meme coins are extremely high-risk assets, and trading them is not recommended. There is a high chance of losing your money. If this was not convincing, let's go to the step 2. First, buy as soon as you can. In meme coin business, it's crucial to be among the first ones to buy. Second, as fast as the meme coin makes 2x in the price, make sure to sell the 50% of your bag. And it's important, regardless of the potential that meme coin has, to sell this 50% if you're trading on meme coins. Why? Because in this way you secure your initial investments, you get your money back, and you'll be much more free in your decisions moving forward. Do not hold your meme coin more than 24 hours after its launch. Either it's a sex launch or a DEX launch. While anything can happen, in future meme coin can go crazy to the moon, still it's not recommended to hold a large amounts of meme coins hoping for the best. The major movements usually happens in the first 24 hours after the launch. Do not listen to influencers telling you left and right that this is the next big thing. I have never seen a damn influencer in my life that would promote a meme coin for free. Usually they get paid or they have a share in the project, which, while is not anything very bad, you have to keep this in mind while you're making your decision. And the last one, do not get emotionally attached. If you miss the launch or you lose your money, remember, this happens to the majority of people who participate. Because yes, this is a lottery, and usually rigged one. Well, this is the main purpose of actually starting the meme coin. Stay safe, and remember, next video I'm going to explain how to find these highly valuable utility projects and how to invest in them. Subscribe.